Wow. Do you have any lift? Let's go. Shall we? No. Oh yeah, that's good. Good, we play this shit every Monday and Friday. So what day is it? Monday. It's Monday. Remember, each night, please block the ladder. It's been 189 days since we have been in this IKEA. I've been counting it on my calendar. And that's primarily why we have been doing puzzles for so long. We're just really good. Area, and now we're just stuck here. Phenomenal. Have you ever got? Oh, you got lemon. Lemons. Those are good source. Expensive, but lemons. Lemons. They're good for health, energy, and hunger. Well, the backhand is only good for health, but it heals you a lot. You guys are good. Alright. Meant to know. If you're Does anyone have an electricity socket?
Yeah.
No. You can just turn it on.
Store is now closed. Please exit the building.
What the hell is this? Oh, no. My first button. Papa is here. Herbert, you son of a...
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Herbert.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Guys, I think he might be broken.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
He's Herbert.
The store is now closed.
He always
Please
gets that.
exit the building.
Ow! Herbert's there.
The store is now closed. Please.
Okay. It's sad. What the hell? What the hell? No, look at him. Arm bones up. How did you? It wasn't about that trick. What do you want, Timmy? We didn't block the ladder, didn't we?
The store is now closed. Please exit.
No, I dropped the ladder. I guess everyone got here to buy pets.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Shut up, Herbert.
The store is now closed.
Shut the fuck up,
Exit
Herbert.
the building.
Him.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Oh yeah, Domino.
The store is now closed.
Answer.
Exit the building.
Domino. Oh, okay.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Now he got
Now closed.
big hacks.
Exit the building. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
SMS, dude.
The store is
SMS.
exit the
What's
building.
why you ignore me?
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Oh, what?
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Oop.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Right there until this going on this. That's Herbert.
The store is now closed. Please
Ow.
exit the building.
Ow, we gotta run.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Herbert is got killed by an anti-cheat for real. Alright. It's okay, I got a medical assistant. Oh my god. Son of a... This was son of a... Oh, I have to do that. That's okay. I need something that replenishes health. Health. Yeah, health. The med kit is not working. I got medical assistance from Lemons. No, Chloe. Chloe, I need to send this thing. What if we put that place? What's that? I mean, extend the both the high area. What should tiny? Tom, hurry, deliver the ballot. Also can't. Am I? Because cool. I get the door. He's gonna get the door. Use the president, because this means to finish this ceiling in case heartburn comes. What?